Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject Science.
Good morning. Welcome back to 4th Science online class. Today we are going to discuss about 3rd chapter book exercise. First one, objective type questions. A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, we wear dash types of clothes in different seasons. We wear same or different types of clothes in different seasons. Yes, different types of clothes in different seasons. So, different is the correct answer. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Second one, we wear dust colored clothes in winter. Yes, we wear dark colored clothes in winter. Third one, dash help us to stay dry during rains. Dash help us to stay dry during rains. Raincoats or woolen clothes. Yes, raincoats help us to stay dry during rains. Fourth one, a fabric is made of many thin threads called yarns or fibers. A fabric is made of many thin threads are called fibers. Yes, the correct answer is fibers. Fifth one, dash fibers are stretchable and can be waterproof. Natural fiber or synthetic fiber? Yes, synthetic fibers are stretchable and can be waterproof. Okay, B, write T for the true and F for the false statements. First one, all clothes are made from the same materials. Your false. All clothes are made from the different materials. The second one, we wear dark colored cotton clothes in winter. Yes, false. We wear dark colored woolen clothes in winter. Third one, wearing full sleeved clothes can protect us from insect bites. Yes, the statement is true. Wearing full sleeved clothes can be protect us from insect bites. Fourth one, yarns are made of fabrics. Yes, false. Yarns are made of fibers. So that is false. Fifth one, woolen and silk clothes need a lot of care. Yes, woolen and silk clothes should be take care with using neem leaves on mothballs. Next, choose the correct options. First one, which of these clothes would you wear at home? A. Uniform, B. Costumes, C. Comfortable clothes, D. None of these. Yes, D. Comfortable clothes is the correct answer. Second one, which of these would you wear to stay dry during rains? A. Cotton clothes, B. Dark colored warm clothes, C. Waterproof clothes, D. Clothes made of linen. C. Waterproof clothes is correct answer. Third one, which of these fibers are used to make clothes worn in summer? A. Silk and cotton, B. Silk and wool, C. Nylon and polyester, D. Cotton and linen. D. Cotton and linen is the correct option. Fourth one, which of these process is used to make a fabric? A. Weaving and knitting, B. Fabrics and fibers, C. Yarns and fibers, D. All of these. A. Weaving and knitting is the correct option. Fifth one, which of these are natural fibers? A. Cotton and jute, B. Linen, C. Woolen and silk, D. All of these. D. All of these is correct. Sixth one, which of these would be the best way to clean woolen coats? A. Wash with a good detergent in cold water, B. Dry cleaning, C. Wash with hot water with neem leaves, D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Dry cleaning. Seventh one, which of these is not true about synthetic fibers? A. They are man-made fibers. B. They are more long-lasting than natural fibers. C. They can be made stretchable and wrinkle-free. D. None of these. So the answer is D. None of these. Eighth one, which of these attack woolen clothes if they are not stored properly? A. Neem and mothballs. B. Virus and bacteria. C. Moth and silverfish. D. Virus and protozoa. C. Moth and silverfish. Next, very short answer type questions. First one, give 2 examples for each of the following. First question, natural fibers worn in the summer. Natural fibers worn in the summer. Example, cotton, linen. Second, materials used to make raincoats. Materials used to make raincoats. Example, plastic, rubber. Third one, plant fibers. Plant fibers example, cotton, linen. Fourth one, animal fibers. Animal fibers example, wool, silk. Fifth one, synthetic fibers. Example, nylon, polyester. Synthetic fibers example, nylon, polyester. Sixth one, insects that attack clothes. Insects that attack clothes. Example, moth, silverfish. Okay. The third Roman letter, answer the following questions will be discussed in the next class. Thank you.